today's video we are going to make this amazing double chocolate chip cookie. We have to start from the butter, room temperature butter, and then light brown sugar. Using a spatula, mix the butter and sugar together until it becomes smooth and creamy. And the mix is ready. Now set it aside and grab one full egg at room temperature, this is a medium size, and crack it into a small bowl. And lightly beat the egg, so it's gonna be easier to incorporate to the mix. Little egg at the time, because otherwise the mix will split and will be very hard to save it. Now we add another part of the egg. And then we add the last part of it. Perfect! The mix, it looks like a cappuccino mousse. Now take the vanilla pod, cut it in half with the tip of your knife. Then with your fingers open the vanilla and with the back of your knife scrape all the seeds out. Give a quick stir just to spread all the vanilla seeds throughout the mix. The smell is incredible. I can smell the butter, the light brown sugar and then the vanilla. Next step, 2 cups of plain flour, not sifted, you don't need to sift it. And we add to the flour 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which equal around 3-4 grams. With a whisk, help yourself to mix all the ingredients together. Take the flour and add it to the mix in, I think 2 steps is gonna be fine. As you can see, it's almost ready. I'm not keep mixing it because I don't want to develop any gluten in the dough. So the only thing I'm gonna do now, I will add the last 3 ingredients, which are 1.5 ounces or 40 grams of bittersweet chocolate chip or dark chocolate chip, then 4.25 ounces or 120 grams of white chocolate chip, and then as a last ingredient we have 1 ounce or 25 grams of flaked almonds or almonds sliced. If you mix by hand and your hand is warm, you're gonna get all the dough stick on your hand. There is 2 ways actually. Or you wear a pair of gloves or you wet your hand. So you will be able to mix but without to let the mix to stick on your hand too much. And this is the result. And always be gentle with the almond flakes because you want to keep the shape of the whole flaked almonds. Set the bowl aside and then we need cling film. Why? Because you are gonna now make a nice log made out of this dough and you are gonna chill it for around 40-45 minutes. Dump your hand again and shape it into a log which have to measure 15 cm or 6 inches in length. Put the log on a plate or anything which is flat and then place it in the fridge for 40-45 minutes to chill. Let's go. And obviously if you have time, leave it in the fridge overnight. Let it all the ingredients hug each other. The flavor of the cookie is gonna be amazing, trust me. But obviously if you don't have time, you wanna make it at the last minute, or you have a party, or I don't know, you wanna do something, perfect, do it. Slice it after chilled and then bake it, and the last thing, enjoy it. And the log is ready to be cut into slices which have to measure 1 centimeter or ½ inches each. Grab one cookie, adjust the shape and do the same for every single cookie. Leave some space for the cookie to spread and bake for 12-15 minutes. And here we go. One last thing. Don't bake this cookie for too long, otherwise it's gonna be dry and it's gonna be like a biscuit and not like a cookie anymore. Let's give a bite. Cheers. This cookie is really nice. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you next time here with Max Kitchen.